Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, or should I say, welcome, because I am back. It took me a long time to get back, because I didn't know what to really upload and stuff. So yeah, I'm back, and I am in Speed Simulator X. I have no idea what this game is, but it's about speed, so I guess it's fun. I heard it was fun. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, so kills, what the heck? Level 1, speed is 8. What the hell? How do you freaking climb? I'm not even close to ready yet. We're moving a little fast. Alright. What the hell? Rebirth. Shop. 10 Robux is 500 steps. I should do it. No, it's a waste. Alright, we're getting some. This game's confusing, but it's really fun. So yeah. Yeah, this game's kind of fun. It's really fun. What the heck? How is she walking so fast? 5 steps. Hey! Don't take my stuff, you fatty. That's right, get over there. Little fatty. Little fatty. Little fatty. Fatty, do not take my stuff. I'm just joking, you're not fatty. Alright. Speed is 14. What the heck? You have unlocked candy canes. I don't know how to put it on. What the? Perks trails. Alright, I don't even know. I guess I'll join. I don't even know. Alright, let's go. Come on, I can beat them all. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I'm gonna be 4th. Let's do this. Race. What? How did I not get it? It ended. Alright, what the heck is this? Alright. Darn it, I don't have it. Yeah, we'll do it. It's only 5 Robux. Shop. Only 10 Robux for this. $10 just for that. Well, just so you know, I just got it. 1,000 steps, please. Boom! Frick, I missed. Boom! Bogus. Sure, I would like to join. Come on, let's go! Let's go! freaking squad, my dude. Let's go! I'm probably gonna get my ass kicked. But okay. Let's go. What the? I was third place. What the heck is this? I cannot. What? I don't even know. I guess we'll get that. I guess we'll get that. Ah. No, I'm not even close to the Flash. I'm probably like a snail, like Sonic. He's fast. Not faster than the Flash, though. That girl, not a girl, if it's a girl or boy, he is fast. In this server. Nah, I'm good. Let's go. I can't make that jump yet. I'm not even doing anything. It's just for me. Now I'm doing something. What is over there? $100? Dang, man. Not even close. Where's the one that's easy? Missed again. Oh, come on. Let's go. Let's go. God, I missed. Missed again. Oh my fast. Running fast. This would be the fastest person in the world. Right here. Not in this game, but probably in the world. Probably like the 50th. I don't even know. Here we go! Everyone! Well, if you guys haven't seen the Flash movie, I recommend it. It's the best movie I've ever seen. The series is awesome. Like, I couldn't watch anything else. Just watch that. Boom. I can't get that one yet. The 150 subs. It's way too much. You need to start running. Getting faster, faster, and faster. No, I am good. I had to ask my friend Zoab to join because this game is fun. I did not know how much fun this game was. It's fun. I'll get to it before you. What's this? Instant dimension? Freaking cheesums. No! Oh, come on, man. That was so close. It was like a rocket ship going through. Oh, it was a rocket ship, and I don't know who else was. I don't know. Ah! Oh! Oh, come on, man. I was so close that my face was on there. And guys, make sure to stay tuned because we're going to be doing part 2. So that'll be good. It's so hard, I'm afraid I'm gonna fall. No! You stupid! That was luck. That was... At least I didn't say I was gonna... Don't say that. I'll lose. Watch. I'm going to lose. I said it right now. If you say that, karma... Oh, come on. Oh my god. Why did I... Dude. What the hell? There should be another one, right? Candy Dreamland. I'm going so fast I can't even realize I'm being... I didn't make that one? Alright guys, this will be it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you in 10 minutes. I'll see you then. Probably 10-15 minutes. We're going to be doing part 2. Or we'll get to like 15,000 steps from there. Remember, keep running.